your first team, Deep Dish.
By the way, we are Deep Dish.
Yeah, Deep Dish!
We're very excited to play with you, for you, and in front of you.
Yeah, can't wait.
You got it. You got it.
What, the four corners?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes. Raise your hand if you can count to 4. Okay,
worrisome.
you. You. I'm sorry, I just saw this gentleman with this very nice shirt in the front. You.
Me neither. I want to go home.
Yeah!
Two.
Oh.
One volunteer sit down.
Uh-oh. Going well so far, guys.
Hell, you don't go too far.
All right. And our special guests are? Barry. Very nice to meet you, Barry. Thank you. Aaron. And Aaron. Barry and Aaron. Give it up for Barry. Go ahead, I'm done.
All right, so everybody's going to get in. All right, so Aaron, you come up here. And then you can stand next to me. And then Barry, if you'd like to go behind me. And then Gavin, you can get over there. So we're going to need a relationship between the two of us.
Lovers.
Lovers.
Ooh.
All right, so then we're going to go rotate. So
Clockwise.
So we're going to go to our left.
To the right.
To the right.
Clockwise.
Are you sure you shouldn't do this?
Right.
Clockwise is that way. Clockwise is
All
that
right,
way.
we're going to go that way.
There we go.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay.
Jim, why don't you go in the
Then you're going to go
There
back.
you go.
So you're going to fall back.
And then Aaron just goes.
Yeah, so we're just going to go to square. Yes, do it.
It's like a Madonna box. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4.
Square dancing.
I know you know Madonna.
I'm gonna need a reason you celebrate for these two people.
Anniversary.
Anniversary. Let's rotate clockwise.
Oh, it's just a box. Got it.
Yeah, it's just a box.
Like Madonna.
Let's get a holiday.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Clockwise. And last but not least, let's do
City.
So let's do a city.
San Francisco.
San Francisco.
Francisco.
So, San Francisco, clockwise.
Lovers.
Lovers, clockwise. Anniversary, clockwise.
Thanksgiving.
Clockwise.
San Francisco.
So
Good job, Aaron.
you're just going to do a couple two-person scenes, and when I say clockwise or counterclockwise, we're going to move on to another scene, and it's going to look a little crazy. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's start with you two. San Fran.
You go to the Giants game later?
The Giants game, yeah, totally. Do you think they'll allow my surfboard?
Yes.
Compactable.
Perfect. You can put it in my backpack.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. Great. Oh, perfect.
Clockwise.
I just really want to meet your mother.
You've been dead for 15 years.
Clockwise.
My wife is all over me about this anniversary
That we're having.
that we're having, our friendship anniversary.
Tell her she's out of the mix. You can't join.
I know she hates our guts. She wants what we have.
Clockwise.
I'm so glad that you knew I loved yams with marshmallows.
Clockwise.
Oh my goodness.
Why is this so heavy? What is it made of?
Wood. Don't ask how it compacts.
Counterclockwise.
I'm so thankful that you're here with me in this partnership.
Me too. Wow. I'm so glad you decided to dress up like a pilgrim.
Clockwise. Clockwise.
What was she wearing when she died?
I don't remember. It felt like it might have been palazzo pants.
Can I have them?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Counterclockwise.
Okay, so what's the plan for when they stop us at security?
To run, obviously.
I
and leave
can't
you
run
in-
with this 80.
Yeah, that's the point.
Wouldn't
I
you?
run.
Clockwise. Clockwise.
Gina's the worst.
Horrible.
Clockwise. Counterclockwise.
I don't want you to see her again.
I will try not to. I'll try my
You
best.
better try, or else this friendship's over.
I will agree with that, but I'm gonna fight her next time I see
You're
her.
gonna fight her?
Just in words.
Oh.
No, of course I won't.
Clockwise.
I love that every holiday party I have, you just have to dress up like one of those characters.
I agree. I'm trying to dress up with characters right now.
Yeah,
Like my Pokemon.
I love it. Yeah, the high socks, high hat,
The height from back in the 1700s when people came.
right? They were so short back then. And those legs encompassed all their stuff. Oh, and he brought a turkey.
I think you guys are professionals. I don't know. They're infiltrating. They're sleepers.
We'll have to drop in on our Thursday drop-in class. It's open for everybody.
Oh my God, you just remembered that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Hosted by Deep Dish.
Yep.
So, should we do another game then? Alright, 2 more volunteers.
Allie! Ow!
All right, well, you
Get her
one
done.
more. Oh, is there a special guest in the audience here? Is that Marty? Did Marty want to join us on stage? Oh, sure.
Yeah!
Amy's mom.
Special guest.
Yeah!
If it wasn't for Marty, we would not be Deep Dish.
Alright, so we're going to play a game called Pillars, and 2 of us are going to be on stage and do the 2-person scene. But when we need a line, we are going to tap either Marty or Allie for that missing line. Sound good?
Yeah.
Alright, so who should we have?
I could join Marty.
Okay.
I'll join. You get to play last.
Jamie, play with
I'm
your
out of
mom!
here. Bye, guys.
Crowd's nice.
Oh, go ahead.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, so we need some inspiration for the scene. Can we get a location of a awesome first date?
Ferris
bar.
wheel.
I heard tiki bar first.
Do that
Tiki
one.
bar?
Do that one.
Tiki
Ferris
bar.
wheel?
Ferris
wheel.
Tiki bar.
My round of applause.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel!
Oh, that's really high. Oof.
You failed to mention that you're afraid of heights?
I didn't know we were going to the world's largest Ferris wheel on our first date. I didn't know they had it. Sherburne.
That's what Sherburne is famous for.
It was just like flat lands and country and stuff. Oh!
It looks exciting.
The kid just peeked right there.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna do that. I don't want to do that in front of you. I want to make a good first impression.
Well, talking about it definitely helps. But it's cool. I mean, you can close your eyes halfway. Like, we'll get around the circle, and then when it starts getting really crazy, I'll say, tomato. And then you can just open your eyes for like a split second.
I do like tomatoes. That might help. It's been my emotional support vegetable. I like to bring them on airplanes and cars and stuff. I've just been really afraid of heights since I was a kid. Ever since my mom left me on a
Ferris wheel.
This is very traumatic for me.
I'm sorry.
Round and around for hours.
Tim, I didn't know this. Listen, you seem like a really brave guy.
Thank you.
Your profile has you fighting sharks
Yes.
and rescuing children in Africa, delivering children. You know, and I figured you can't be afraid of anything if you're an obstetrician.
Well, you know, even obstetricians have fears, you know? Like, I'm also afraid of water. I'm afraid of shoes. I'm afraid of
Ferris wheels.
Ferris wheels. What's important about the Ferris wheel? Since this is the current challenge we are dealing with.
All right, I mean, if you really want, we could go on the bumper cars instead. But I do have to tell you, I don't lost it because
I hit a deer in the butt.
like right in
Wow.
the butt.
Must have been bad. They usually don't take your license away for that.
It was terrible. I've been to confession like 5 times over it.
I've been, man, last time I went to confession, I told the priest all about
Hitting deer.
man, I hit a deer too. This will bring us
Oh
together.
my gosh.
I just wish you hadn't brought me here. I wanted to go to the tiki bar.
We can go to the tiki. Sure.
Yeah.
Let's go to the tiki bar.
Yeah.
You guys are-